Hey there. Welcome to our story lecture. Now, let's dive into the fun part of editing our Instagram story. If you're following along, just scroll to the left side. First things first, when you open a picture from your library, head over to those three dots in the corner. You'll find cool options like drawing or saving the draft post. Super handy. Now let's check out the 3 stars. Click there and voila, you've got a bunch of choices from hearts to other cool stuff. And guess what? The emoji section is our next stop. Here, you'll find the countdown, quiz, hashtags, location, and more fun elements to spice up your story. Wait, there's more. Head over to the letter A, and you can write whatever you want for your post. It's like your personal message board. Once you've added all the cool stuff and you're satisfied with your story masterpiece, hit the arrow on the right side. That means you're ready to go live with your awesome story. Just a heads up, depending on the length and size of your image, it might take a little time to update the story. So take that into account. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Instagram story, ready to share your story with the world. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Catch you in the next one.